Hello, good people. How are you? Welcome to Passionately Intrigued Arts and More with Tracy. I need to make some alcohol ink, some metallic alcohol ink. And you can make your own using 91 or 99% alcohol and then the mica powder of the colors that you would like. And so I need silver and gold. So let's get started and I'll show you how to do this. First time I've made it, so we're going to see how it works. I put my gloves on because I imagine this will be a little messy. I probably should have had my apron on, but it's in the basement and I'm not going down there to get it, so I'm going to try and be careful. Okay, so what you do, you need 1 part alcohol to 2 parts mica powder. Is that how that goes? No. 1 part mica powder to 2 parts alcohol. Or if you want a richer color, you do 1 part, 1 part. So I have these little spray bottles because I need it to spray for a project that I have up and coming. And what I have is this beautiful gold. And this is only 5 grams. So there's not much in here. It's a big bag, but there's not much in here. My issue is how I'm going to get it all out. And then I have the silver gray, but this is too dark. And I looked to see if I had any other silver. I do not. So I ordered some, and I'll be doing that spray bottle at a later time because this is much too dark. This looks black to me, silver gray. And so what I'm going to use is this Mirage Gold, and it's like a white gold. It has hues of gold in it, but it's a pearlescent white gold. All right, with all that being said, what do we do here? Do we put the powder in first? I don't know. That's what I'm going to do. So I have a funnel. And we'll start with the gold. And this stuff, it's real thin and it gets in the air, so you have to be careful. Am I going to use the whole packet? Yes, it's only 5 grams. Oh yeah, there's not a lot in there. So let's pour this into the bottle. Whoa, whoa. See what I mean? Powder flies. You know I want that powder out of there. You know I do, don't you? All right, let's tap this down into there. Come on. All right, let's see how much it is. That's all we get. So what I'm going to do is what? I have 91% alcohol. Now, if you use a different container for your alcohol, please always label it. Always label it. Accidents can happen. I have a story about a bottle that wasn't labeled that had bleach in it. A terrible story. Anywho, we won't get into that right now. Label your bottles. So what I'm going to do, because you know I want this out of here. I'm going to pour some alcohol in here into this bag. Oh, yay much. Not even halfway. I'm going to close it up. Close it real tight, and then I'm going to... Now see, isn't that beautiful? That's what the alcohol ink is going to look like, but it's going to be more intense. But you know, I'm getting all my mica powder out of there. And then I'm going to take this bag and open it up. And pour it into here, into the funnel. And I'm going around this funnel, getting the mica powder off the funnel as well. All right, let's just pour it in there. Now, ooh, that's gonna be pretty. Where's my top? Oh, I'm not done yet. I have to use a binder. They say you use a binder to make sure that the mica powder sticks to the item that you're, that it doesn't go to the bottom, that it doesn't settle, that it sticks. So this is what it's looking like. That's going to be beautiful. So the binder is, now get this, hairspray. Oh boy, there's something else you can use, but the economical way is to use hairspray. So for this, I need a half a teaspoon. Now how are we gonna do this? I don't know. I got a half a teaspoon here, and I have some hairspray. So can I just, or do I just spray it in there? I don't know. Let me see if I can fill this up, or how's that going to work. It's probably going to get everywhere. Let's see. Oh, no, you can fill it up. Okay, let me keep spraying until I get that filled to the top. Okay, I got a half a teaspoon of hairspray. Let's put that in there. And shake it up. And I should be good to go. That's beautiful. Let's spray a little bit. See what it looks like. Spray it right on this white. Oh, see how pretty that is? Can y'all see that? Now when this goes into resin, it's going to be really nice. That shadow. Anywho, there's that. So let's do the next one. Which will be this Mirage Gold. But first of all, I'm going to take this to the sink and wash it out. I'll be right back. Okay, let's do the Mirage Gold. I labeled that. Same process. So, empty this mica powder into the bottle. Trying to get it all out without making a smoky mess. Okay, then I'm going to do the same thing. Tap that down in there. Pour my alcohol into this bag. Was that about the right amount? A little bit more. Shake that up to get all that mica powder incorporated into my mixture. Oh, that's beautiful too. So it's like a pearlescent white with hues of gold. I don't know if you can see that good or not, but that's the diluted version. Let's pour this into the funnel. And then let us do the binder, the hairspray. Let's get a half a teaspoon of that. Pour that in. Shake it up and see what we got. Oh, I see the gold. It's pretty. don't know if you can see that gold or not. So, you're really not going to be able to probably see it if I spray it on this white. Let's see. Oh, I see the gold. You probably can't. Let me spray it on this. You see that? That's really pretty. Okay, so that is all for now because like I said, this silver is just not going to work at all for me. That is not silver, that is black, in my opinion. And I'll do that when it comes in tomorrow or the next day. But I just wanted to show you how you can make your own alcohol ink with mica powder. It doesn't have to be metallic, it can be any type of mica powder. So let me label this one. What is it called? Mirage Gold. And then I'll clean up my mess. M-I-R-A-G-E, gold. Beautiful. Thanks for watching. Appreciate you. Peace and love, and we'll see you soon. Toodles.